Hooked up again off him. Oh yes, he darted to it. Oh, he's got it again. Oh my god. Not a bad one. What's up, everybody? Today we are going to do a little kayak mission. I have not touched my kayak in quite some time since getting a John boat, but we are going to give it a whirl. It is really windy today. I am not sure if that is going to help me being in a kayak. That might be awful, but we are still going to give it a whirl. Let's see what we can do. So I don't know if y'all can see this, but it is absolutely choppy. The wind is howling. I'm not even sure if I could keep my kayak still. But part of me says send it. I think I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna be trying out the new Guggen clickbait. This is the bluegill color. I think it's got a gold blade. That is what we're gonna be throwing today. Woo! Yep, I feel like I'm in the ocean. This is wavy. This is something, let me tell you. I'm about to have to tie to this tree or something. Golly. This isn't even doable. Oh shit. Whoa, let's go. Let's go. I don't know if y'all can see this, but he is a stud. Stud. Damn, I'm turning this. $17. Oh shit, oh, came right out. Oh my. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Not a bad one. I mean, maybe a pound. Oh. Okay, we can chat about all that.
Okay, when do you...
Alright, y'all, the wind has officially beaten me. I couldn't even fish on the main body of water here at this spot, but I managed to get up in the river and throw a spinnerbait around and managed to get some fish, but whew, that was a real tough one. But thanks for tuning in. Catch me on the next one.